Yeah, but if you look at these key levels right here, 1035 is one. Let's see. 1035 is one. 1038 is one. 1039, and of course 1042. Those are all your major key critical areas. So if you were scalping, trading, this is the channel here. This is where you buy in, and so on and so forth. Now right here, look, these are your levels: 1035, 1038, 1039. Everybody see them? Yes? Okay, good. These are what we're watching for. Did anybody buy in on NVIDIA when I said this is extremely bullish? It was right here, by the way. This was at 10:30. 10:30 is when I exactly said right here looked good. Yes? Everybody, this is a collection area. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. You can always add in if it does decide to pop, but this is very dangerous. And if you got in again, it was 50, 20, 20, 10. This is a nice move though, because this took a while to come back. This is a nice cup. So even though this is a triple top, this is a beautiful cup. Took a long time to come back. This is bullish. But we have to trade the triple top. I don't care what's going on, because what would happen is if this is a true cup, usually there's going to be a handle. That's your pullback. Just please be cautious. I don't want anybody losing money doing anything silly. Move your stops up, move them up, move them up. I'd like to see this pop up to 1042. So this was our level, 1039 to 1042. Everybody sees it right here, yes? This is the gap up. But right here, this is a retest zone. Right now, everybody's like, oh, it's going to the upside. This is the most dangerous spot there is for NVIDIA right now. This is the triple top. Danger. Danger. How many times have I been yelling this is a danger zone and to collect right there? I've said it 18,000 freaking times. If you guys are listening to me and not your inner voice or whatever the hell's going on, I'm trying to save your asses, right? Technically, this is a double top, okay? And a double top, we just talked about. What is it more likely to do? See it? It's going to want to pull. And even if it just pulls to here and then makes its way back up for a retest and then breaks through, guess what, scalpers? You made it from here right down to here. Do you see it? That is scalper's paradise. The reason that is, the reason it matters so much, and you're like, oh, coach, but that's only, 4 cents or whatever it is. Guess what? If you can do that all the time, if you know right here is a great area to short and you can make 4 cents every time the rest of your life off of double tops, triple tops, you are at better, right, risk to reward than any other trade you can make throughout the day as a scalper. Yes? Just
Yes.
because you know when it hits here, most likely it wants to do this. Even if it's small, that is, right, a much better odds trade than anything else. If you're trading in here, think about it. And you're like, well, I don't know. Well, guess what? I almost will always know right here while you're guessing everything else, right? I know I probably have a 90% trade chance up here on the top because most likely it's going to hit this level and it's going to pull back, and that's trader's paradise, right? For scalpers. So this is the stuff you need to be aware of. This is the stuff you've got to also be cautious of, because you guys will get into FOMO. Coach said when it bounces off V-WAP, you'll get up here. You're like, no, I don't know yet. You're all hesitant. You're like, yeah, this looks great right here. I'm going to hammer this thing. And you go like all in and it touches here. It's pre-market. You don't have any stop. And then a knife drops down to VWAP. And you're like, son of a. And then you newer traders, you'll kill it. You'll kill it right here, right? You'll be like, damn it. I'm taking the loss. Coach said, get rid of the loss. That's just a dumb trade. Touches VWAP. And then it goes right back to where you said. And then you go, damn it. You broke right every scalper's rule in the book. You traded mid-channel. Then you cut your loss at a critical bounce level. Isn't this down here? This is support. VWAP is support, right? So you bought it in the middle. It came up. You're like, yay, I'm here. Oh, no. And then it touches here. You kill it all, right? When actually, if you bought it right here, your stop should have been like right here. because it went against you and you're in a scalp. Why are you holding this thing all day? And then it comes down to VWAP. Now you're like, I'm out. And then it does the run, right? I'm talking to 90% of you right now. And then you're like, shoot. So you've got to be paying attention. All of these levels matter. VWAP matters. Top of this line right here matters. Down here matters. If it keeps touching, that's the bottom of a channel, right? All of this matters. So stop making these trades and just, blindly getting in and blindly getting out.